Hello and welcome back to the EBS-50 tutorials. Today we're going to talk about linking. Linking is the process of connecting an ESL to a product in your database. Now, linking is quite easy and there are several options to do so. So, let's start with the basics. This is an ESL. It is currently unlinked. There is no image on there, just the default image. And this ESL is telling to me that it has the following MAC address, B2A002E6. So we're going to the ESL page in the ESL Server software. We're going to type in that code. And it found it. And if I click that row, it asks me, what do you want to link this to? And I can watch this list and I say, let's go for the house wine and press apply. And we've linked one product to one ESL through the UI. Now, if you want to step it up a little bit and say, well, all of the 293Rs in my store, every single one, I want to link to the same product. Going to try it, and there are a couple of units that are offline, there are some that are online, but basically 18 ESLs have all been linked to the same product. So that speeds up the process a little bit. But there are better ways, smarter ways to do it. Since the ESL Server software has a new web-based interface, any device that is on the network can connect to it. So I've got here one of our handheld scanning devices, and I've connected it to the same network that the EBS-50 is on. I surf to the EBS-50 and I get the interface but on my phone. From the dashboard I can go to links and then press quick link, and that brings me to a very simple landing page that tells me to scan an ESL and scan a product barcode to create a connection. So, what that means is I can walk up to an ESL and I can scan the ESL. I can take one of the products, scan the barcode on the product, and I get a message back saying the link is established between that product and that MAC address. So I can just simply walk through the store and go, well, I want to link even more. So I'm going to link this ESL to these shoes. And I'm going to link that ESL to this shoe. And with this simple handheld device, I can walk through the store, link products, and that is very easy for me to just walk around and update these ESLs. And while I'm in the process of updating them, I can already see some of these labels getting the information from the ESL server. Hey, I've got a new picture for you. Let's do an update. So now we've done updates through the UI on a ESL per ESL basis in this list. We've done it on multiple at the same time, and we've done it through the quick link interface using a handheld scanning device. But if you want to go more low level and immediately push links into the database, we've also got an option to use the API. There is another episode about the API in the playlist, check the description. But basically we have an endpoint that is online. It goes to /API/links/ the MAC address of the unit we want to link / the product ID that we want to link it to. We press send and it tells us I've linked it OK. So let's double check. We've linked B2A002E6 to product 001. And if I now go to my links tables in the ESL Server software, and I ask him, well, do you have that B2A002E6? He says, yes, I got it. and I am linked to product 001. So that is how you link ESLs to products. You can use the UI on a ESL to ESL basis. You can use a handheld scanning device to automate it with quick linking, or you can use the API to use a third party to programmatically link your ESLs. If you want to watch other tutorials, you can check the description for the link to the playlist. If you have further questions, you can also contact Opticon. Our contact details are in the description as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.